Hi, it's Brad from West Coast Mazda. Let's talk CX-50 and why it should be at the top of your shopping list. With Mazda'S connected services, you can check on your vehicle status, remaining fuel, if the doors or hatch are locked or unlocked, as well as remote starting your CX-50. And with Mazda'S MI Drive, you can simply switch it into off-road mode and take the CX-50 off the pavement to explore the backcountry. Mazda'S first panoramic sunroof is standard and helps let you take in all of nature's beauty. With exceptional handling dynamics paired to our 2.5-liter turbo engine that puts out a pulse-racing 256 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque, you can cruise the boulevard or hook up your trailer to head into the woods for a little camping adventure. Just switch it into tow mode and you are good to go with a tow rating of up to 3,500 pounds. Visit us today and place your factory order for your very own CX-50. Once again, it's Brad from West Coast Mazda. You know where we are, just across the bridge in Maple Ridge.